This is our lateral bound. All right, so finer details on this one. Super important because this one builds into a million different progressions for our system of training. So what I want you to think about is A, jump fast, okay? Almost everybody I teach this, they do this. They're like, whew. Okay? Other thing I actually want you to do is push the ground away. So don't do this. Okay? You're pushing and using your right hip. You're not stepping to the side and swinging your leg, okay? Everybody does that too, don't do that. Hands, I don't know what I need to do with my hands, Ricky Bobby stuff, okay? Easiest thing, grab something unweighted, foam roller, Swiss ball, something like that. It's a little bit smaller and unweighted. Ideally not a med ball, even 4 pounds, kind of heavy to learn this, and have it on your hip. So if I have my hand here, and I know it's over here, and then when I jump to the side, I just switch. And that alone will help those people that land every time like this. I don't want you to be trying to fight that. I want you to land, boom, weight comes back, almost like I'm chopping back into this hip, so I feel like I'm landing and yielding into the back of my hip. If you need to, it's not a problem at all if you just toe tap and get your balance back. The way I'm gonna teach this to you is exactly as you saw it. Jump, stick the landing, hold, 3 seconds. After that 3rd second, I want to see you keep your knee where it is, push through the ground, finish, just like we would finish a kickstand hinge. So you're reinforcing those same mechanics coming out of it, and then get back into the next rep. I also want you, as soon as possible, to start paying attention to your distance. So that means pick a line, jump, put your shoe down, put a mini band down, put a weight down. Determine where that line is so that on your next one, you're like, you know what, I'm gonna, woo, and really beat it and get as far as you possibly can. When you're really pushing for distance, your landing might not be as beautiful, but that's why we start with the landing and then use a little bit more of a distance focus. You can also have your first set be very focused on the landing, and then the next ones can be more on that power output and getting as far as you can. Again, I can't stress enough, that's how that one's gonna progress so many different ways. Get good at it. Quick review, jump fast. Don't take forever and think about it. Drop and then go. Use your hands, one hip to the other hip, super simple. And also push the ground away, don't swing the front leg. That's how we're gonna do our lateral bound. Let me know if you have any questions.